in a second. Yeah, I think we're live now. Okay, so that's fixed. Okay, so I can get rid of this. Welcome. So we're just gonna share the link of the stream.
Just 2% on the battle.
Nice, you're winning the battle. That's nice. I don't know if you're sharing your screen. I don't think so, no. So let me go back, see if the live's reset. Let's get the link. I'll also make like a tweet for it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make a tweet. Okay, should I share it on the Discord? Oh, I can share it on Discord.
And another 3%, guys.
Oh, you're making money on the FxReplay Battles?
Hell yeah. I need to enter again your live. You shared it on the Discord? Yeah, okay, it looks much better now. You're right.
Yeah, it's better, right? Okay, so I think I have everything set up now, maybe. Let's see. I still need to go to the chat of this stream. So I'm gonna open the chat. I have missed maybe a chat if anyone is here already. One sec. Sorry for the hustle. Okay, so I think we're live now. Everything should be working. Let me double check on my phone. Yeah, it looks better, right? Okay. Hello. Okay, sound seems to be working. We had some nice people join already, but let's hopefully they'll join again.
Another 2%, guys. I'll show what people are reading. We take money, but we don't show them.
Yeah, you're not showing us. Okay, so let me
Share my screen.
Yeah, if you want, because I'm gonna do the tweet, and then I'm ready to share mine as well. Okay.
So guys, what we're going to focus is actually on doing some battles on FxReplay. FxReplay is the platform me and Tony were doing all the data checking and the strategies, setups checking. It's a great application, great platform to check your strategies and setups. And they had another feature that you are actually battling people. You have like 10 minutes to make the most profits that you can. You cannot restart the chart. You cannot like take backward the time. You just trade it as it, and you need to make enough percentages to win. So you can see here on the right side how much money people are making live against you. So I'm now on 6%. Yeah, I took 3 wins, 100% I think, or 75% win rate. Yeah, 75% win rate per trade, and we can see that the other players haven't made any money. And I'm looking for another short. I'll show you how it looks. If we get a nice rejection cancel up to 30 minutes.
Your sound is a little bit like it's lagging. Yeah, a little bit.
And showing all everything.
But yeah, Leo is winning his, like you see on the leaderboard to the right, Twisted Leonardo, 6% up. So he's killing it in this battle. This battle is actually a 1-hour battle. I don't know how many people are joining, 14 people. And Leo is like well on top. So 6% up. The second person is 1.87.
Finishes, most of the time it finishes after 10 minutes.
Yeah, like that's the one that I prefer as well.
Yeah. Let's see if I missed here a nice trade. So, on confirmation.
So let's see if the rank actually reset, because I think it should have been reset now. No, not yet. But let's just we're just gonna see what happens.
I like this trade actually. Yo, 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 yo. Let's see if it's a win, Tony. Oh, it's a loss. Okay, I'll just wait to see what the market wants to do here.
Just gonna share the video link.
Take this nice peg here. We have some connection. Nice doji candle. Okay, that's another loss. That's fine.
Okay.
Oh, someone is almost passing me by 0.04%. But for 1 second that it's you.
Okay, I've tweeted, so that's done. Nice. Okay, anyone else in the chat has ever done the battles? Like, I like to do like the shorter battles.
That's a nice doji.
I'm waiting for like the rank to reset because it should reset quite soon.
Oh, really? Not a lot. So we are now 3%. We lost 3 trades in a row. So I think it's changed the target character to bullish. Really?
Okay, I just joined one as well. Maybe we can join like the same one. Hey, I remember this guy. I was in the battle with him earlier as well. He seems to be grinding this.
See the penguin?
Hmm?
You still a penguin?
If I'm still a penguin?
No, it's you're talking about my battle.
Oh no, I'm talking about like I joined one, and there's one guy that's like let's see, FxReplay dashboard. Yeah, I think you can see my screen now. Yeah, I joined this battle, and like this Morocco one FES, like he's been battling like before, like I remember his name. So what we kind of been doing lately is just drawing up the fib from top to bottom, whenever, like from bottom to top, whenever we're looking for longs. Same as what we used to do, like what we've been doing basically with like the Twitter levels. So we're just trailing bullish here. So let's see if we can get into like the discount zone, like into like 0.5 level. Okay, we're getting close to it, so I'm just gonna go to the 50. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, someone closed the thing. That's fine.
Close the channel of the battle?
Yeah, someone closed the battle. Get me out of this one. I want a new one that's just started 1 minute ago. Profit target 10%. I don't like these as well because people seem to go for one trade and then it's like done, but that's fine. Fuck the game as well. Oh, if I go full screen, that's not working because then I can't see the chat, so I need to stay in this.
I missed that trade.
So yeah, let me know, Michael, if you're still here. And I forgot the name of the other guy. What was the name again? It was a little bit more difficult.
Maro.
Let me know if you guys are here again. If you could find us again. And yeah, I think it was Michael who talked about like the dojis in the end. So let me know if.
S123.
Nice. This one is a little bit difficult, where it's shifted structure bullish. Oh, Mukul's here. Thanks for the stream. I'm in the office and just listening to you. I remember you were trying different RR strategies and exit. Have been able to finalize the strat. Yeah, I've been working on it, and we're now testing like a confirmation. To wait for like a confirmation, preferably a doji candlestick. Inside like the 05, 0595, like anywhere in the zone, you know, like in the discount zone. We're looking for a rejection candle, and of that will enter basically, and it will be like on the 30-minute, 1 hour, or the 15-minute. That's what we've been testing lately, and it's been going very well. Yeah, I could have just entered this because it's like, it was rejecting, but it's not a doji, so I could have just entered. But yeah, we're very much in just trying different things, but this is very close to what I've been trading for a long time, and I know it works. So for me, it's like a little bit more into my comfort zone. It's just pro trend with candlestick confirmation, basically. That's all we're doing. Okay, I'm entering late if I enter. Okay, fuck it, I'll just enter because I don't want to stay outside of, like, no, it's against the rules, but yeah, it's like FxReplay anyway, like right now. I'll just tighten my stop loss. I have the option to, so yeah, not according to the rules. So I like to tighten stop loss whenever I'm doing a little bit more risky stuff. Here it will be a little bit cleaner. Just follow the trend, and let's see if we can get an entry. But how's your trading been going? Cool. Going good? I had some nice trades today, passed an account.
Oh, silver is going good live.
Nice, I can check it out.
Yeah, I have 1 2 already, almost 1 to 2.
This candlestick is alright. It's not the best, but it's alright. It's worth the risk for sure. 1.5x, but yeah, it can be a very quick stop out. Shifts to bearish, looking for shorts now, drawing flip from top to bottom.
Just missed an amazing trade, 1 to 4.
Really? On live
Yeah.
or?
No.
Oh, on the battles. The battles I just kind of want to be in, but it's like biting me in the ass, you know? Like I'm being less selective than I would be on live, of course. And also I'm waiting for the rank to be reset, because whenever the rank resets, it gets more interesting, you know? Right now we're trading right before the rank reset, so like winning doesn't matter too much right now.
Yeah. Now the 1 2 3, Tony. I'm 9%.
It's nice. Oh.
Actually, I'm against someone. Both of us are 9.11%, but seems like he stopped trading. Probably thinks that he will get this win, but I'm going to smash him in very shortly.
Nice. I'm going for 5x here, 3x up. So the doji, the 15 minutes or 30 minutes or or the 1 hour. And fixed levels for SL and TP, or is it still undecided? No, it's like with the dojis you can have like a little bit more tight stop loss. Like I like to have like a few pips above, depending on whatever pair you're doing. But
1 to 2.
No, why is it working? I want to tighten my stop loss.
What did he ask? So doji at 50 minutes or 30 minutes and fixed levels for stop loss and TP, or it's still undecided?
Yeah, we don't have it fixed, like the stop loss and TP, but we will make more rules, like more guidelines, you know, for it, for sure. I'll just re-enter, I think.
Yeah, but actually, Mukul, the fib levels for now, they are just what structure do we look for? So we always want to take our trades from the premium or discount. If I want to take short, I'll take it from the premium, so it's 50% and above. If I want to take longs, it's from discount, from 50% and bottom. So we just use now the fib levels for this. We wait for a doji candle, a nice rejection candle on the 30 minutes for 1 hour. Very tight stop loss, so it's a little bit like scalping, and the win rate is very good.
Yeah, like the Fibonacci just helps with, you know, you being aware of the structure, where you're at in the market, and to where to sell from, you know, where to be interested, not to sell too early or to, you know, buy too early or too late or whatever. So it gives you sort of guidelines on where it's good to actually look for an entry, and when the entry, you know, because with what we used to do, we of course we had like a lot of wins, but we also had like a lot of losses, and the losses we kind of wanted to eliminate them. We have like so many trading opportunities, so we had like the option to filter out a lot of the losses. So that's what we've been kind of working on, and like waiting for a confirmation candle seems like a really good way to do it, because then whenever price just shoots you out instantly, then yeah, you're safe because you wouldn't have taken the trades. And of course you're gonna miss some wins, but so far it's looking like you're avoiding more losses than you're missing wins, so that's a good thing. This is a nice win. Oh, how's my euro trade doing? Am I alive? Yeah, it's not looking too good, but it's fighting. It's fighting. I want the rank to reset. It said that like a maintenance or something this half hour, so I assumed that this would be like the moment where the ranks will reset. It's been like on the top here. New battles competitive season starts on August 11th. It's today, August 11th, no? Yeah. Trade under pressure, climb the leaderboard, and build confidence in your strategies. So, kind of waiting on this. Now chilling in platinum. Let's see if there are any live trades going on.
Apam, 1 to 4, 30% growth. Yeah. Just catch the right positions, and you are on the wave. Let's see what's the win rate. Yeah, 16 trades, 50% win rate. And of course, on the battles, we are taking trades much easier. We are not really much trades to take going on. Yeah, that was a nice miss. Missed the trade 1 to 3 easily. Yeah, on the right bottom you can actually go to chat, or then you'll have voice. Scroll down and you have like the voice bar. Yeah. Found it? Yeah, on the right bottom. Only you show people some backtest, because it seems like people are going out.
just muting it, but I wanted to get it like a little bit softer, but yeah. I can see the volume thingy. So I was looking at some live trades, seeing if there's anything going on in the markets right now. There was a nice trade on... Did you take it, USD CHF?
Look 1 second. USD Chef live.
Yeah, there was a nice trade on it. Or were you still... Let's see. Maybe you still... Yeah, you still have like the huge structure or not?
I was looking. No, I was looking for long. It was a very nice doji on the bottom, but I haven't taken it.
Oh yeah.
I've lost long on USD Chef actually on the first doji that he showed on the left, on the 0.5. He gave a first doji, then swiped, and then gave another doji here. So I could re-enter here, but sometimes I don't like to enter again the same leg.
I don't see the first doji. Which time frame? 15 minutes or?
Minutes, yeah, on the 0.5. I'll look
This
on my
one. Oh, it's like... Yeah, okay. Yeah. It just like bounced off it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this trade's
No,
like...
but I took on the 1 hour the smallest structure, the very big structure, I think.
You didn't take this, or you took this structure?
Yeah, the 1 hour is different now.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I figured you would take... no, yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
So then you took it here, yeah.
Yeah, and the doji now was nice. If you enter on this doji, stop loss tighten, you could take you 1 to 2.
Yeah. Looked like a nice trade, but kind of missed it. Did I already set an alarm? Yeah, set an alarm for AUD. I'll be interested from here.
Yeah, AUD from the bottom. Nice longs.
Euro, I'm still in it. Let's see. Look, it's very similar. I wouldn't mind looking for a short if there's going to be like a double top on the 15 minutes on NZD USD. On the internal structure, looking for short, you know.
Yeah.
Like, it will be profitable. It's a little bit against the pro, like the bigger structure, but anything like this looks good. Yeah, like you can get 5x. I'll set an alarm. If anything comes close to this, I'll be open to look for it. AUD USD is looking kind of juicy as well, but again, it's like counter trend.
Seriously. Just open out over on everything. Okay, let's move here. Structure.
I think I'm just gonna take a quick 2x on AUD USD. Should be a win. It should be a win, to be honest. Yeah, I got a discount. Pretty nice one as well. We got 30% off for the community. So yeah, if you're interested in getting FxReplay, you can use code TWISTED. So just TWISTED and you'll get 30% off. So they were actually like very supportive. Really nice guys. Julian is amazing. Shout out to Julian. Yo, what's up, Maru? Nice. Can we have, hey guys, can we have a specific checklist for this version on the thread Doji in the Discord? Yeah, we'll, I think we're at the point of where we're gonna be updating the strategy channel. Like the first strategy still works, like don't get it wrong, it works. But we got so many signals that we just kind of wanted to filter it down to get more, like focus on the higher quality ones. And I think trading it with the doji is already giving like amazing results. You know, again, I passed an account like in 2 days now, and like Leo is like printing money at the moment as well. Like we're both just making some nice money of it. So yeah, I think we can definitely do it. We will do it for sure. Yeah. So good idea. Good note.
He wants us to add again the checklist in the group.
Yeah.
He will do it.
Yeah, we can do it. So I just entered AUD. It's counter trend, but yeah, it looked nice. It looked nice. Just it's flying already. Up 0.25%, so that's nice. But yeah, it's very early in the trade. Very early. Small trade. 704 stop loss. And TP, I just gonna target a quick 2x. Nothing too fancy. Nothing too fancy. Don't need a lot. Just a little bit. And I might actually tighten stop loss soon, because like already 1x in 1 minute. We can't complain, huh? Maru, what prop firm do y'all use? Well, I've been trading with Equity Edge for quite a while. We do have some reservations about them. Like, they're very cheap, so that's a good part. But because they're very cheap, their rules also kind of suck, and their overnight spread kind of sucks, etc. But in my honest opinion, you can definitely exploit the cheap prices to make a lot of money from it. Because like one 10K account with a discount costs you like 20 bucks. So I've bought like a lot of 20 bucks accounts, you know, and then I got a payout for like 200, you know, on one, which basically paying for 10 accounts. So like the math is just in your favor, you know, you just have to maneuver well with news. You have to be aware whenever there's news. You have to be aware of like the annoying spread overnight, etc. But if you're trading very safely and with a strategy, I think you can trade it very like it will work. Yeah, then I recommend them for sure. But for the more longer term sustainable, we like FTMO. And I know Leo has also been trading on funding pips. I also got funded with funding pips, but the thing that I didn't like is that they had like a minimum required amount of a payout. Like I got like a 10K funded account with them. And then I want to request a payout, a small one, because I like to, you know, see if a company actually pays out, you know, before I actually go bigger. So I tried to go for like a 2% payout, like 200 bucks a while back. And then they said, no, you can only do it through crypto. Like you can do bank transfer under 500 bucks basically. So I didn't really like it. But yeah, overall their trading environment is pretty good, I think, their rules, etc. So, but yeah, for sustainable, yeah, I didn't like it, the crypto. Like I'm not really involved in the crypto space anymore. So, but for bigger payouts, they seem to do it just fine. But yeah, so that's my reservation about funding pips. I like their dashboard though, and I had no complaints with them trading. Like everything was smooth. So, but yeah, for sustainable, I would go for for FTMO. And if you just want cheap prop firms, you know, that you can, you know, scale into other prop firms, that's what I do. I recommend Equity Edge. But again, be aware of the rules. Be aware that there's gonna be some bullshit. But that's like I take the bullshit in a way because the price are so cheap, if that makes sense. And I know they pay out. Like they paid me out like I can show you like they paid me out like 7K over like the last year or something. One sec.
You know, the moment that the backtest starts to like annoy you and you just starts to run the candles.
Yeah, I've had that. Certificates here. $8K. Yeah, it's gonna show my full name. I don't know how I like it. If I like it. Maybe I'll share. How can I do it? I don't know. Just believe me. I see it. There's a lifetime payout certificate of 8,159. So I know that they do payouts. So that's a nice thing, you know. Like, I will share my full name like eventually, you know. But as long as I don't have to, it's like I prefer it, you know. Probably gonna find out anyway over time. But for now. It's good. But yeah. So I know that they pay out, so that's a good thing. And yeah, they're cheap. Have you traded with any prop firms yourself? Should I go for a bigger trade or not? Like I'm up 1% already on this trade. Like I took it like 5 minutes ago or something. Should I go for a little bit more? It's definitely like a 3x potential here. Funded next in FTMO. Yeah, I like FTMO. Like I also have like an affiliate link for FTMO. I think it's in the description here. So I'm not sure if you actually get a discount code or not. If you don't get a discount code, don't bother. Only if you want to support or whatever. But maybe there's like a discount. I don't know. And Equity Edge, I always say just check out their Discord because they have like very good discounts in there. Like I think best year right now in caps is like 50% off. So yeah, I don't recommend using my code because my code gives less, you know, less discount. I want you guys to have like the best discount, of course. But yeah, Funded Next is also a big company. I think I've tried them once, but I don't really remember. I don't think there was anything wrong or something. I think I'm gonna tighten stop loss to break even. Well, I'm risking 0.9%. It doesn't really matter on this account too much. 584. Let's see. Okay, 584. The EMA is there, so I'll just go for a little bit less. 591. I don't know, something like this looks alright. How long have you been trading, Maru? Yeah, Makul, by the way, if you're gonna try the discount on FxReplay, let me know if it works, etc. Because we just got it, you know? So it would be nice to get like a verification if it's working or not. I recommend everybody to, you know? Not because I'm affiliated or whatever, but they're a great platform. We use them like daily, for sure.
Bro, I just took 1 to 6 and it didn't give me the profits.
Oh, shit. Just 1.5 years. And you please walk through this current trade. I know it's counter trend. Was it just the doji? Yeah. I'll walk you through the trade. It's a little bit of a gut-based trade. I just knew it would go down. I didn't like the thing is with this specific trade. I know there's a fair big chance of it going down, right? How far? Don't really know. I just can pretty much tell that there will be like an impulsive move like right away, which happened, right? Like we can see it like big impulsive move, like pretty much the biggest 5-minute candle out of the last like a lot, you know, like the last 30 candles plus this is the biggest candle. I kind of like, I could just sort of sense it, and that comes over time. But how I would explain it is the 30 minutes was sort of slowing down. You can kind of see it quite nicely. You have like a few rejection candles in there. You have like this first candle, right? Massive wick. So like the body is relatively small compared to the wick. So this is already like one sign of, okay, it's slowing down. It's also because the structure is here, right? Like everything is in context. But slowing down, bearish engulfing candle, bullish trying, you know, to engulf, failing, bullish candle, but very strong wick again, bullish candle with a wick, bullish candle with a wick, and then like the last candle, this one was sort of the tell sign that the next candle would be bearish, is just because this is like a doji-ish candlestick, like more way more wicks than body here. It failed to sort of break above the highs of the previous candle. Like it's very nuanced, you know, like every bullish candle, like every bullish candle, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, all the wicks got like surpassed the previous wick, if that makes sense, right? And this is the first candle in, you know, how many? Like 1, 2, and then this is a bearish candle, but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of 9 bullish candles in a row, this is the first candle which didn't, you know, break the highs of the previous candle. And I just sort of noticed this in combination with how the candle looks, and I just knew sort of that there's a big chance of it going down. So doji-ish candlestick in combination with the different with the candlesticks prior to it, that's like the biggest thing. Like a doji candle on itself is nothing. It's all in context with like something else, like especially like the candles before it, but also for instance how we use the strategy, it's in context of it being inside of a discount zone, for instance, you know, that is basically, you know, showing, okay, it's rejecting the bearish move. Like the doji, you'll basically find the dojis, like the good dojis are the ones that will be here. Here will be the dojis. Huh?
Did you take the AUD live?
Yeah, I took it live. I said I'll take it. It's up 3x almost in like yeah, it's up 2x now. It's just what I do. It's just what, nah, I'm joking. But yeah, it's this is one of those trades that I just know that if I take this 100 times, it's profitable. Yeah, and this is just like an example. I might just gonna close it now. I like it. It's close to the EMA. I took home nice little over 2x here. I don't need anything more. It's like a big move. Yeah, I'm gonna close it. So nice 2x. Nice. So nice you guys were there live, like 2 point something x. But yeah, this basically where you want the dojis to be, right? Yeah, it's ripping. So whenever it's like moving this hard, I don't mind just jumping out straight away. Like whenever I'm sort of near my TP, it can continue. But with fast moves, it often also retraces and then potentially gives a re-entry, or it goes straight up. I just like I don't need to be in this anymore. I took my profits. I'm good. I'm not gonna be greedy.
That's right.
Yeah, right. Pretty good, right?
Yeah.
And like in context, like the bigger thing I'm looking for in AUD wasn't this trade. Like I'm looking for longs actually, but I knew that there's a very big chance of it just going down to this area. So that's like, you know, and I don't want to be greedy and put my TP here. I could go for like a 4x. I could definitely do it, but I prefer to just take the 2x because it's counter trend. I'm aware of it, so I adjust my risk reward ratio, you know, like I adjust whatever I'm going for. And yeah, we're gonna be looking for, like I have my alarm set up whenever it's reaching this area, we're gonna take an amazing long, and that's probably gonna have like a better risk reward ratio. But yeah, taking 2x is decent. We take those. We can lose 2 trades now, free of
See.
losses, you know.
Yeah.
So with this small counter trend trade, I basically bought myself 2 free trades with the trend. So yeah, I'm happy. See how the euro trade's doing. It's not doing too good. It's like slowing down. Again, like
Yes.
this doji again, like you can see it. There's a doji here, and then was there a doji on the? It was on the 5 minutes or something. More often than
Silver
not,
is
on the bottom
going.
there's like a doji. Like as soon as you sort of start to realize them, start to notice them, it becomes like your best friend, like the doji. What strategy have you been using so far, Maru? Tell me a little bit about your experience so far trading 1.5 years. And are you new to the channel? Like I think I saw you before, right? Did we see Maru before?
I think so. We
I think
came
maybe the
last.
last live, right? I'm not
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, this is what I was saying with NZD USD. Like I would be interested in shorting once it reaches this area. I had my alarm set up. Sadly, it didn't reach the alarm. It was 1 pip away, and now it's flying down. Like it's the simple trades. It's nothing complicated about what we're doing. You just need to you'll get more in tune with the markets over time. And we're here to help.
Yeah, USD Chef gave another trade, I think, for long.
This one, yeah, the 15-minute doji. Like
Uh,
they're big. Like I prefer the dojis to be quite small, but like a
yeah.
big doji costs you like a lot of RR, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But in context that there's like the EMA, yeah, it's definitely worth taking. Like you just know there's a bigger chance of it going up. You're at 1R now. You can tighten stop loss. You're riding risk free. You know. Yeah, why not? Why not? Why not?
Let's see if silver will close this nicely on the 15 minutes. I think it can go up very nicely. Looks good.
I'm
On the
actually
30-minute,
I'm gonna email, by the way, the guy that I tweeted them and that were live.
yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, I love dojis. They're just the best.
I'm waiting also to see how the gold will close soon.
Look at USDC CHF.
Flying, no? Yeah, it's flying. Yeah, look, two dodges actually. One on the bottom, one again. It gave you another entry. The second dodge is nicer because actually it's very thin, nobody, and it's in the middle.
Sorry, I'll look at
So
it in a
nice.
sec. I'm just letting them know that we're doing the live.
Oh, yes, this chef is flying.
Okay, let's stay in tune with like, is FxReplay, did the rank reset or not? Because then we can start going for rank 1 would be nice. No, not yet. I'll check the chat in 1 second. I'm just gonna send it.
Dashboard.
Thanks, brother. Okay. So live stream. Okay, that's cool. Not new. Look at the AUD trade. I could have taken more, but that's fine. 3x now. Yeah. I'm in a Discord under a different name. Nice. Okay, that's cool. Not new. I try to join live when I'm available. I used to trade session sweeps, but it was not working quite well because of the war this year. Yeah, the war, the market conditions definitely changed, like a lot of things. A lot stayed the same, but a lot changed as well. So that's why I kind of like what we're doing. It's simple pro trend, like you just pretty much know it will work. Of course, market conditions vary and the results will vary month over month, but like I can't imagine trading this for a full year and not ending up with money. Like it would be very surprising to me. Because also like one good trade compensates for like 3, 4 bad trades in a way. Like you don't need to be super accurate with this.
Just need to be patient to wait for the right candles, because many times you can see dodges and you can take them and they will be wrong, and then after a few moments, half an hour, the exact candle that you waited for will appear and you lost the trade already and you'll be upset. I think the main key in this strategy is to be very patient.
Yeah. But the
Is this
opportunities come quite fast, so you don't have to be patient too long often. Like you can set an alarm and then you can look at the screen. We will probably build like an indicator that can give like an alarm for whenever the doji
yeah,
shows up.
and shows also if the doji is valid, will also make for it the indicator.
Yeah. So just gonna make it better and better. But like I know I've been trading this for a while and I know it works. It works like a charm. Oh bro, I didn't check the 2 hour. Fuck. Look at the 2 hour doji on AUD USD. This is like a beauty. A beauty.
2 hour, let's
No
see.
wonder it's going down.
Oh, yeah, I said. It also broke structure now on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
So keeping short in it will be nice.
So what have you been trading lately, Maru? Are you trading like something different or are you just still trying to make your strategy work? Session sweeps. I'm
And
gonna
this in the
take off the
group.
cap, I think it's like hurting my head. It's gonna be the introduction to my shaved head on live. Hope you guys still love me. Let's see. That would be very cool to have an indicator. Yeah, I built one before. We're just gonna make it like a little bit better. Like I have this one. Look, it's already sort of giving signs where the dojis are, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4 dojis here. So it's working pretty well. Like it would have given a signal for this trade, it would have given a signal for this trade, right? So like if you've taken all these dojis in context, like you would have taken it here, stop loss, but only if it's like pro trade, etc., right? Like it would give you 1269R or something, like 128, and then it flies up. But you have time to tighten your stop loss, right? Like you're aware that this is counter trend, so like the same what I did with the AUD trade. Like I'm not talking like stuff that I'm not doing myself. So here, if you had the stop loss like this, almost 1 hour, but the wick is very big. But yeah, again, it gave you the option to tighten stop loss. That's the thing what I told Leo today. Like oftentimes it gives you the time to, it will move in your direction more often than not. And then you can decide to tighten stop loss if it's starting to look a little bit bad, So here, for instance, you would still be in the trade on this doji, and you would be at like 2.8x now, or no, sorry, you would be at 3x now. And then the fourth doji it's showing, let's see, it's actually at 2.3x. So all trades you had the option to move to break even. Here you could have taken 1R potentially. This one you could have taken to break even if you wanted to. And this trade you took home 3R if you closed here, And this trade you're at 2.5 or 2R right now. So like just these dojis of the indicator are already, profitable on its own. But we're gonna make things better and better. So yeah. We're gonna improve things. Here again, another doji. This would be profitable if you just took it. Like, well, nah, maybe you would get stopped out here. Let's be real. Yeah, you would get stopped out here. This would be like a wick out. It's annoying. I don't want to sound like, how do you say it? This doji is alright, but this wick is massive, right? Like, I don't really like it next to such a big wick. Like, I just don't like how clean this looks compared to these. That's just me. But yeah, let's say you took those or took one of those. Yeah, you lost one. And then this one, you would have had the option to tighten stop loss or take home, is it 2R? No, 1.4R before going up. So dojis are very much in context of what else is going on. So it's stronger if it's in better market condition context. Like for instance, this one, you can also see whenever there's like a really good one and you actually catch the bottom, you can have like a massive trade. Like for instance, this, if you did trailing here, you had 17x, It's all about finding the nice ones. This one, you would just fly down straight away. 15R, so you can tell there will be some losses, but that's why we implement a strategy combined with dojis. It's just not dojis. It's not just the Fibonacci. It's like combining things which on its own are already profitable. The Fibonacci on its own is profitable in my opinion. Like knowing how to trade it, you'll be profitable. And dojis on its own is profitable. Combining the two, it's like sort of a no-brainer that it's more profitable.
Make money.
Yeah. Doji's been a money printer for me for like a long time. I used to set like the alarm for dojis on the 4-hour and the daily candles. And whenever there was like a signal, because I could set like an alarm, I would see it and I would just enter the trade and would make money. I don't know why I stopped with it, but I stopped for some reason. I just got distracted doing something else. But yeah, that's
Also euro. It's all again. It's a big leg. It's a big week, but gave a nice almost 1 to 2. So many opportunities with this strat.
Yeah.
The whole day we have opportunities.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Hey Tony, I'm going to have some meetings more. So enjoy the stream, guys. Hope you learned something with us today. Thank you very much, and I think we'll go live maybe also tomorrow or Saturday again. And Tony, if you keep the stream, enjoy, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay for a little bit, see if like I don't know. I just emailed them, so I don't want to go like I don't know if they retweeted or anything. I want to see like if FxReplay actually the elo resets, then we can go for like some battles. Will be fun, but it's not looking like it. So maybe we'll go for it tomorrow. That's also an option. But yeah,
Sure,
nice for you to be here.
Thank you.
Yeah, like always.
Speak to you.
And we'll speak tomorrow.
Yes. Bye, bro. Bye, guys. Oh, and leave, subscribe, and likes, guys. Don't forget. Bye, bye.
Don't forget. Thank you.
Bye, bye.
Bye, bye. See ya. Okay, so that was Leo gone, me on my own. Let's see, let's get rid of the ring because it's like a little bit weird now. Camera, yeah. Okay. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions or whatever. I'm pretty happy with how the trading is going lately. It's like nice making some money of just simple trades, nothing complicated. I'm still on this euro trade. Like one account didn't get stopped out, but it's not looking too good. But on the other hand, it has a lot of room to go. Like it's a 5x trade. I can see it. I can see it sort of happening. The daily is rejecting. Yeah. We'll see. Are you using FxReplay Maru yourself or not? Like I've been enjoying like the battles personally. I can do like a little battle here just for the fun of it. But I'm competitive and I like because I know now the rating will reset like any moment, like literally any moment. It's like whenever I win now, it doesn't really matter too much, right? Let's see. Yeah, backtest there. Funny, I have a sell active on AU. Oh, really? Where did you took it from? Yeah, for us, like the structure is bullish still. Like this is the low, this is the high. Anything in between is just sort of noise. So it's like in the discount zone, we had like a nice candlestick, so we entered. Um, it was a swing trade, bigger one. Oh, here's all the testing we've been doing. Some of the testing, not all, just some of the testing. Working very hard for you guys. Um, let's see. And also for ourselves, of course. Nice. Are you in profit on the trade? Daily less Thursday. Hmm. You entered oh, you have like a very big stop loss. If you didn't get stopped out yet on Friday. Like, is your stop loss like this? Like 70 pips or something? Targeting the lows. 2x. This? Something like this? Maybe 65 pips. I don't know. Oh, maybe you entered like off the daily, like the break of the daily. So you maybe entered here. But your stop loss is quite big if you didn't get stopped out on Friday. Do we want the music? I don't think I'm gonna stay on for much longer. I'll just do one battle, chat for a little bit, and then because I actually have dinner reservation as well. I entered at the top of the candle. I think it was Friday. I entered then. Stops was calculated off the weekly. I entered at the top of the candle. I think it was Friday. Also, all the way on top, because that would be like an amazing trade. You're like in a lot of profits now, no? Swing trading overall is good. So like if you're comfortable with swing trading, Yeah, it's like all the statistics show that people that take more trades are overall less profitable than the ones that take less trades. So yeah, if you're like my most profitable periods were also when I was swing trading. Like this, whatever we're doing now, I like it as well. Like the AUD trade, for instance, was very fast, right? Like it doesn't happen to like that fast normally or often. This is like a 15-minute trade or something. Um, but I do like those as well. For me, it just if it makes sense, it makes sense. I'll take it. And the only downside to trading like lower time frame stuff is that your mental has to be able to handle it, right? Like that's pretty much the only downside. Like I would enter here. I would like to enter here for a short, but it's close to the discount zone. But this doji looks really clean. Let's just see what happens if we were to enter here. I'm not gonna enter. Let's just set it up like this. Let's see what happens. The stop loss is like 1 pip. I think it's a little bit too small, but for theory's sake, you know, let's see. I entered at the top of the candle. Yeah, okay, that's still the same thing. Yeah. So if your mental can handle it, I think the lower time frame is fine, but your mental is definitely like a lot more chill trading the bigger time frame. So for a lot of people, it would be easier to start with swing trading, um, for sure. It might retest the pip before going down on a, yeah, it could test the highs before going down. This move, now you say it's kind of extended, right? Like it's a big move without any retracement. The possibility of, if we draw a fib from here to here, there's a pretty big chance of it reaching anywhere like within like the 0.5 to 0.75 level. So I think that's probably like a better place to take a short for sure. Yeah. It's kind of extended right now. Not looking too good. Um, oh, the battle's over. I lost. I didn't do anything. Um, let's see. I have an honest opinion. When I tried the strat as completely mechanical, it wasn't profitable. Only when you use a little bit of discretion of skipping some of the trades from experience, then it will work. I mean that you can be very successful with it, but anyone else trying it wouldn't have the same results. Reason is discretion. Just my thought. It's possible. Like I've noticed that with Leo, whenever Leo did the testing, he seemed to have like better results than me. And sort of I had like in the back of my head, maybe he was looking through maybe like rose tinted glasses, if that makes sense. Sometimes where he took like certain trades that just, like I took every trade that I tested live, like I went through and he skips a little bit forward and then he looks back for the trade. So then you have like the thing that can happen where you sort of look for the good ones, if that makes sense. But I think the strategy on itself is like, to be honest, I I would be surprised if it wasn't profitable, but I don't think it's as profitable as some of the data we've seen. But like what you said, if you add some context, some understanding of the markets, then it can become that profitable, you know? Um, so yeah, I agree in a way where it's like my honest opinion also is where I wasn't too happy with the results. Like I want more. Like I'm used. Like I don't want to be cocky or anything. Like I don't want to come across as like a fucking, you know, whatever. But I come from a background with trading where it's been very easy for me, and I've been profitable like for quite a while. You know, like 80% of my trading I've been profitable, and I wanted to make something super simple for you guys, basically, like for the people in the community, for the YouTube, which kind of hindered my own trading as well a little bit because I kept focusing on making things simple for other people versus trading what I've been trading and what works for me, if that makes sense. So I'm very happy to right now find sort of the middle ground where I think we found something that's like maybe a little bit more complicated, maybe a little bit more nuanced, but I can pretty much hold my hand in the fire with this, what we're doing now, that it's profitable, because I already have a track record of myself for 2 years trading very similar and knowing it's profitable. Like AOIs is like my bread and butter, basically, like areas of interest, support and resistance. But this, like the Fibonacci retracement, is in a way sort of an area of interest, because it's like also levels that people look for. So it's very similar to my own trading. And if you add sort of, you can even add like a support or resistance level to it. Like that's all possible, but you don't necessarily need it. But yeah, candlestick reading in combination with a confluence that's like telling you sort of where to enter, plus the combination of trading pro trend, that's just a recipe for success. Like I've seen it, I've done it. So pro trend, sort of rejection, like getting understanding of rejection candlesticks, you know, of like candlestick action, basically. There's like a really good book that I recommend. It's like the Candlestick Bible. You can find it for free online, I think. Or you can like buy it, like I don't want to give advice or whatever, but yeah, look up the Candlestick Bible, buy it, do whatever. Maybe you find a version online, I don't know, but it's very good. So pro trend, sort of finding an area where to sell. So that's with the Fibonacci retracement, works very good, but also AOIs. And then candlestick, like sort of understanding, you know, rejection. Adding these three, it works. Yeah. Yeah, it's not that complicated. I'm happy that it works. I'm looking forward to using it. Yeah. Sounds good, bro. Yeah, we're working very hard on building, etc. But to be very honest, I'm also just happy to collect some money out of the markets right now. Like with building the strategy, etc. I've lost my own trading a little bit, where I've just been, you know, not just taking all the trades. It felt like a little bit over trading here and there, you know, all that sort of stuff. And right now, I'm very comfortable with the way we're trading. I know this is profitable. Like this one, like what I showed just now, right? Like the doji, it already hit like 2x as well. I said I'm not gonna enter. It's just for theory, right? Like I'm not here to, like I don't need to take any like all the trades, but it just works. It just works. Simple as that. Like it works. I know it works. I have done it. I have like a lot of payout certificates under my belt that sort of prove it in a way. So yeah, I'm happy to share it with you guys, and hopefully you can sort of join the ride, and we can make some money together, you know? That would be the dream. Yeah, the USD Siege F trade's nice. Nice win. Like 2 dojis here. 2 really nice wins. Yeah, it hit 3x already. Sadly missed it. Like this one I would take for sure. This one I would take. Yeah, but I miss those. But there are like opportunities every day, like a lot. So I don't mind missing like 2, 3x. So this is like, this one is almost 4x actually. Like this is 6x in like how long? Like 4 o'clock. 1.5 hour. Crazy. Really nice. Okay. Just looks good now. But happy to hear it's not too complicated. Like I've really been trying to find like the middle ground of making things, you know, simple but yet profitable. And it's like, you can tell it's like there's a reason why I think a lot of YouTube strategies that's just don't work, in my opinion. Like we've tested like quite a few strategies that we've seen people use on YouTube, and it's just not working well. And I think maybe they're also struggling with finding something that's easy enough to teach, etc., while still making it profitable. Just a thought process. Or maybe people are just morally not, like, also not amazing. Or like, the thing that I have is that I share things early, which is like sometimes good, sometimes bad. Sometimes it will like make the results maybe look a little bit better than that they are. um that's like a risk, you know, of sharing things early. But I like to put things out early because I like people to test it, you know, and get like feedback on it, you know. And yeah, just, I don't know. And I also get excited about things. So that's like, you know, I get excited whenever I did like the back test and I just saw making like so many percentages like in a short time, you know. Like if I go back to my, where can I go to the dashboard? Testing. My last testing session. Oh yeah, here 11K, but I think there was a better one, right? 20K profit. But where was the we tested so much. Maybe it's this one. I don't know. Is it this one? Oh, actually no. Actually no, I didn't. Yeah, okay. Let's go to the charts. I think I have them drawn up, but yeah. It's still for the video. So here you can, like, we can go over some of the trades that I took here. So I can get the results back. Did I actually take everything? There's no way to tell, right? Oh, it does. Why does it give like an alarm of, you know? All right, okay. Let's just go over them. So I took this trade. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna get the data back from the backtest I did on the video. And I can show like the trades. So here I drew it up from top to bottom. Let's see on what time frame I took it. Right now we're on the 15 minutes. I'll just go back one candle. Don't know if I have this box perfectly placed, but I think I entered off this doji probably or something. Let's see, maybe on the 30 minutes or 1 hour. Yeah, I entered on this 1 hour doji. Really nice doji. So entered, and I think I actually took a loss here because I didn't tighten stop loss, and I just want to be transparent, right? Like, this was up. I was targeting 8x. It was actually up like 5x. So maybe I can actually, you know, play it back, because like in reality, whenever you're trading this live, if you would do this live, there's no way you're not taking home any money. There's just no way. So let's set it up, and I think we would exit after the doji on the 1 hour. Like, that's what I would do. So you could still hold here potentially, but then where's the doji? Okay, never mind. Where I thought it was on the 1 hour, but it's actually on the 30 minute or something. Let's see. Okay, let's see here. So theoretically, whenever you're trading this live, right, there's no way you're 2.5, like you're, how much are you up? You're 4.4% up. So let's say, let's be conservative. You're setting your stop loss at 2.5x, right? That's pretty much what you do. It's going, let's see, it's going down. You would probably tighten your stop loss under this structure, securing like 3x or above this structure, I should say. Yeah, you walk away with 3x, right? Like this is how you would do it live, most likely. So that's more sort of representing what you would actually do live. Let's see what this trade was. Let's see, so if it's on the 15-minute, 1 hour, or yeah, it's on the 15-minute. Nice doji. Very nice 6x. It's crazy. Very nice 6x, basically of the same area. It was still the same structure. So let's skip forward a little bit. We have a trade there. Because I really want the data of this backtest again, because the backtest was really good. So it's on the 15 minutes, yeah. Okay. So let's see what I did. Probably drew it up like this. Yeah, so I drew it up like that probably. Let's see. Perfect doji on the 15 minutes. Internal structure looks a little bit bearish, but yeah. We do take those. Yeah, 3x, nice. So that was a nice trade. Let's skip forward. Okay. So let's see here. I think I drew it up like this probably. Or maybe I drew it up from all the way on the bottom. No, I think I drew it up like this. Or maybe like this. Either way, it's good. So let's see. We reached the 0.5 level and even a little bit under. Very nice doji rejection. It's actually like, maybe this is like a dragonfly. I don't really know the name, and like you have the dragonfly and the hammerstone or something. Yeah, this is a loss. Sometimes you lose some trades, part of the game. Nice doji, targeting 4x again. And a win. Let's see, where did I enter? This doji? I think I just entered off the 1 hour. It's a doji-ish. Yeah. Okay. 2.5x, pretty big stop loss, so not too big of a TP. Massive retracement. Or retracement, massive bearish move. Let's see. Where did I enter? Oh, that one, the 1 hour. So the 1 hour doji. Let's go back one candle. Why does it look like this? And then whenever I'm one candle forwards, actually. Okay. It's frozen. It's not working. Okay, let's go back a few candles, see if it works then. It's not working. Let's do a quick refresh. I don't know, what time do I have dinner? I think I have like dinner reservation, not too long. Oh no, it's I still have some time. That's nice. That is nice, that is nice. Okay. Let's check on the AUD trade. Yeah, did hit a nice amount. Low, my alarm is literally set on where it's reversing. That's crazy, like to the pip, to the micro pip. Look at my alarm. Lol. It's quite coincidence. Euro still fighting. USD flying. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Okay, it's working now. Nice doji, 1 hour. I just want to get the data of this backtest. Like there was another doji, but we were already in a trade, so I didn't take this one. Like it's also not in the Fibonacci zone we're looking for. $15-minute doji, took it. Another wind reacts, nice. Where's the doji? Is that one? I think it's that one. It's a small one. Yeah, I think it's just taken off the 1 hour. Yeah, it's like doji-ish. It's not the cleanest. Oh, this 1 hour doji. Never mind, this 1 hour doji is perfect. Sometimes it's not showing it properly. Yeah, very nice doji, 5x, amazing. Then we have a little reversal and we instantly enter again. That's crazy. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's like 30-minute doji, like perfect again. Amazing, like very clean. But this is win or loss? It's a loss. You probably like, let's see. If your estranged uncle gave you an onion farm unless you had to save your neighbor's disabled cat, would you continue to enjoy? I don't even know what that is. What the fuck? That's a nice question, huh? I don't know. Would you, James? Would you? Where's the trade here? Where is the trade here? Was there a trade here? Yeah, there was a trade here. Probably taken off this doji. I don't know where the TP box went. I don't know what I targeted. Conservatives 2x here. Being a little bit greedy is 4x. Let's be a little bit greedy. Why not? It's a back test anyway. It's probably a loss. Oh, it's looking... Yeah, okay, but there's no way you're not gonna take this. Like after this doji, yeah, you're gonna be out. For sure alive, you're gonna not let 3R slip away, so... easiest, well, I'll just do it like this. Let's see. So here you're up, like how much? Like 3x plus. So you're gonna be tightening it. Then you add this doji, yeah. You're not gonna walk away when you're targeting 4x. You're gonna walk away with profits. Like that's just the way it's gonna be in live markets. I think this is like weirdly set up as well. Maybe there's a trade, let's see. No, I don't think this TP box is accurate. So let's go to the analytics. Let's see what we're looking at. Now it's again looking good. 15 trades, 13 wins. Like I first had 12 wins, 3 losses, I think. But now I have 13 trades, 2 losses, 40k in like 1 month. It's pretty insane. It was a pretty insane backtest, that one. It's like, you're not gonna get results like this all the time, but it's just showing that stop loss simulator is new. Holy shit. If we reduce the stop loss by 40%, we would have made 79R. 69R, are you really like kidding me? Damn. I thought I was already using like a small stop loss, but apparently 69R is possible in 1 month. What the fuck? That's crazy. Profit factor 1500, 100% win 100% win rate at 1R. What? Yeah, this backtest was insane. I think I need to go over this with Leo. Tomorrow we'll go over this backtest. Yeah. Insane. Insane, insane, insane. Drawdown, there's like none, hardly any. Can you please do AU April 2025 next time? It will be helpful for me. Yeah, sure, bro. We can do it tomorrow. I think we can do it tomorrow. I'm curious also because it's probably one of your worst months, right? That's probably why you ask it. So I'm curious if like we'll end up making profits on it or not, or if it's just a bad month. Like bad months are there, of course. So like that's why I like trading as well. You don't need to be profitable every month in order to make a lot of money at the end of the year, for instance. Like you can have like a month where you have like a little bit of drawdown or you have like you're not profitable. But if you like on one good month, you'll definitely make enough money to live like multiple months, you know, if that makes sense. Yeah, I think that's it for me. It was fun. I'm just gonna get ready for like the dinner and stuff. Gonna chill a little bit. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your questions, etc. If you're still working, I hope you have like a nice shift with work. And yeah, we chat soon. See you guys later, yeah? Just to see if prevent some bad trades with the doji confluence. Yeah, like we can, you can sort of, I don't need to share whatever trades you took, but we can like, we can first do them and then we can compare the charts. Yeah, we can do it. All right. Sounds good. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your questions. If there is anyone new, feel free to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And yeah, sadly we couldn't do like a lot of battles because it's still not reset, you know? Like the elo, like I would have liked to see if we can go for rank 1. So maybe tomorrow we can go for rank 1 if it's actually reset. I think it's kind of cool to see your name, you know, at first place here. So yeah, that's the goal. But most importantly, it's about making money off the market. So today made some nice money, took some nice trades. So this AUD trade, you could have taken home 2.85x before it went up. So comfortably 2x plus on the trade that I didn't take, but I told you that I would be interested. But it's just like a little bit tight stop loss, like 1 pip, 1.3 pips, just too small. If you had like, you could even have like a tighter stop loss and you could have had like 3R, but it's just not, like, I don't know if it's possible to trade 1 pip with like prop firms, etc. But yeah, just identifying that these trades work. It's just simple. These trades are simple. All right. See you later, guys. I had fun. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next one.